One of my subscribers just requested me to draw a glass in AutoCAD 2D. That is why I just made this one. So I'm going to show you now how I made this one in AutoCAD 2D. So let's begin. Just put this one in one side. At first, select center ellipse. Now draw an ellipse, and in x direction the distance will be 10, and in y direction the distance will be 1. Now select this one, click on copy and copy above the distance 20, enter again. Now select line, just join these two. Also select line and join these two, enter. Now go to arc. Before going to arc, select line, and from the top point draw a vertical line. Distance will be 2, enter. Another line from the bottom point, vertical distance will be 2, enter. Now from arc, select start in radius arc. So this is start point, this is the end point. Okay, starting direction, select this one, select these 2 points and the direction. Now select this one and select an offset, and the distance will be 1, enter. So click inside, enter. Now select this one. Okay, our glass is complete. Just let's put some juice in the glass. Just select this one, click on copy and copy downward, and distance will be 4, enter. Now go to gradient and select yellow for both, and just click inside, also here and also here. Close hatch. Now select this portion, click on trim, trim this portion, trim this portion, align. Okay, escape. Now our glass is complete and it is filled with juice. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and share the video with your friends, like the video, and if you have any question, ask in the comment box. Thank you.